I'm inviting us today to a sneeze celebration. Yes, I said sneeze. I was with friends recently, and at around 8 o'clock at night, one of our friends has a sneeze. She sneezes 4 or more times, 3, 4 or more times. And we got to tickled about it. Like, is she doing this on purpose? Is she setting an alarm to sneeze? Because it was happening about the same time we happened to be at dinner together. And I got to thinking about this, how quick we are to go, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. What if we blessed me? When you sneeze, if you bless me. I was reading something that said, we could celebrate sneezing like the miracle that it is. It's like really like a would you call it, like a confetti, so to speak. It's like my body's confetti cannon. So a lot of things come out when we sneeze. And if you don't mind, cover it, use a tissue, whatever you can do for the sake of everything and everybody, and not eroding your friendships or your relationships probably. And what if we could bring a little lightness to it, that we actually blessed ourselves as we sneeze? And even gratitude to the body. Thank you for this mechanism that clears some of this out. Thank you for the mechanism that knows to expel this, what to expel, and when to, and how much. And that even these involuntary actions that we have, that the body has, is relevant and important for our vitality, for our health, and for our well-being. So self-compassion, well-being, sneezing, well-being, vitality, well-being, and even in our sneezy moments, to confer a blessing to ourselves as quick or quicker than we would convey a blessing to others when we hear them sneeze. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.